Hi guys, Captain Nick here at MarineMax St. Petersburg next to a hot rod red 21 SPX outboard by Sea Ray, and this baby is as fast as she looks, 56 miles an hour to be exact. What we have here is the Mercury Marine 200 horsepower V6 4-stroke, or as they like to call it over at Mercury, the torque monster. Great amount of seating here also. Come on down here. Huge area for storage, guys. So you guys noticed something a little bit different about this boat here, is we actually have, instead of a bench seat, we have two captain's chairs. Really great for conversation and getting to know each other out on the water. One thing I've noticed about the Sea Ray SPX series is it's a real car-like experience with the real sporty steering wheel right here. Everything about this boat just screams hot rod. So come on down to MarineMax St. Petersburg, come check out this race car on the water with family capabilities, or better yet, let me take you out for a spin. Captain Nick, MarineMax St. Petersburg, signing off.